If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Offices IAS Academy. In today's video, we will be discussing Sengol Tradition. Sengol, so we all know Prime Minister in the new Parliament, in the Lok Sabha, near the Speaker's chair. Prime Minister was placing the Sengol. That's why it was in news. So let's know about the Sengol tradition. See, the Sengol is a scepter, that is a decorated rod. See, these decorated rods will be carried by the kings and queens when they participate in the ceremonials, in functions. To prove their might, they take that ceremonial, that decorated rod. Right? The Sengol tradition was practiced in South India by the mighty Chola Empire. Chola empires between 9th to 13th century. They were controlling places like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Sri Lanka. It goes on. The mighty Cholas, they were having the practice of carrying this Sengol. This about the Sengol, let me say some more information. It is roughly 5 feet long. It is roughly 5 feet long. It is made up of silver but coated with gold. It is a gold coated silver rod. That rod at the top has a bull. It is the rod is carved with bull at the top. That bull is referred as Nandi. In Tamil, it is referred as Nandi. That bull that symbolizes justice. How it got the name Sengol? Sengol, the name came from a Tamil word called as Senmai. That means righteousness. So the Sengol, that refers to righteousness, justice. Right? So this Chola kings, they had the practice of handing over this Sengol for the upcoming kings. So traditionally, one Chola king will pass this Sengol, to other Chola king as a symbol of transfer of power, as a symbol of legitimacy, as a symbol of succession. It's a tradition which was followed in South India by Cholas. Right. So when India was getting independence, there was a discussion. So our last Governor General, C. Rajagopalachari, was saying that there should be something to symbolize the transfer of power. From British, the power is now transferred to the Indian self-government. There should be something to symbolize the transfer of power. So Rajaji was referring that the Sengol can be handed over to the Prime Minister, which can be a symbol of transfer of power. That is how this Sengol idea surfaced. Then Jawaharlal Nehru, right, our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was presented with this Sengol scepter, was presented with this Sengol rod by Thiruvadurai Adinam. Thiruvadurai Adinam. See, first let us understand what is this Adinam. Adinam is something similar to a monastery. Adinam is an organization which is somewhat comes closer to the temples. Okay, it is valued something closer to the temples. Adinam is an organization, something similar to monastery which you can compare. This organization will have people in a different hierarchical level. What they will do, they will try to spread the philosophy of Shaivite Siddhantam. Right? They will try to spread the philosophy of Shaivite Siddhantam. So what does that say? Shaivite philosophy. What does that philosophy say? That philosophy will help you to understand and help you to realize and help you to reach Lord Shiva. That will help you to merge yourself with Lord Shiva. So they are Lord Shiva devotees. Assume in that way. Okay. So Adinams are organizations where you will have devotees of Lord Shiva. They spread the philosophy of Shaivite Siddhantams, Shaivite philosophies. That much you keep it in mind. So this Thiruvadurai Adinam was the oldest organization of this sort. So this Thiruvadurai Adinam was handing over this Sengol to the then Prime Minister or first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Then that Sengol was actually not kept in the Lok Sabha. The Sengol was actually, I mean, there are so many stories behind this. I am explaining whatever the PAB document has given to us. Okay, so let us just go with what government says. Let's not think about other speculations. So it is said that the Prime Minister was not keeping that Sengol in the Lok Sabha, rather it was kept in different place. And after Jawaharlal Nehru, the Sengol was kept in Allahabad Museum. The Sengol was kept in the Allahabad Museum. So now in the new Parliament building, so our Prime Minister wanted to place that Sengol in the Lok Sabha. So for which ceremonies were conducted, rituals were conducted, Adinams from the Tamil Nadu, South India were invited. They were performing some rituals, and the Sengol was given to the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister was placing that Sengol next to the Speaker in Lok Sabha. Right? You got some clarity about the Sengol? See, there are so many articles, so many videos. They give a different picture about the Sengol history. Right? Let us not get carried away. Let us restrict our discussion with the demand of the exams only. Now, I will suggest you to read more about the Cholas in the history part of the ancient history. Please read about Cholas. We can expect a question about Cholas. About Sengol, yes, there can be questions about Sengol as well. So we have discussed the static part, the Chola part. Please read in detail. Please make a note of it. So yes, so with this, today's topics comes to an end. I hope the topic was useful. So I will see you tomorrow with another interesting topic. Till then, bye. Take care.